My decades-old kitchen cabinets were falling apart. The boards were rotten. Doors were loose. It was clear that a full renovation was overdue. I finally decided to take on the project myself. The first change was replacing all the cabinets. I chose Hampton Bay Avondale cabinets from Home Depot because the boxes are made from 1/2-inch plywood, which is very sturdy and durable. The cabinets alone cost me nearly $2,600. But since Home Depot provides a 10% discount when you purchase more than 10 cabinets, I managed to bring the price down a bit. Assembling the cabinets is super quick and easy. Installing them is also not as complicated as I thought. Previously, I didn't have a range hood, and even with the windows open, the smell would linger throughout the house. This time, I installed a new range hood, along with all the necessary duct work. The materials cost about $600, and while it took me some time to complete the installation, the improvement was more than worth it. A kitchen renovation wouldn't be complete without updating the countertops. I went with a quartz countertop from Home Depot, which cost $2,500 at $74 per square foot. It was one of the larger investments in the project, but the polished surface, durability, and low maintenance made it a worthwhile upgrade. For the sink, I bought the Kohler Pro Function Sink Kit for $300 from Costco. Along with it, I decided to redo all the plumbing, which included adding an under-sink reverse osmosis water purifier. These upgrades added another $300 to the project. Finally, to finish the project, I installed new sheet vinyl flooring in the kitchen for about $600. Not only is it durable and easy to clean, but it also gives the kitchen a fresh look. That brings the total renovation cost to $6,700. This total doesn't include the cost of tools, many of which I already owned. For instance, the press tool for plumbing, drills, an impact driver, and a laser level could easily add another $1,500 for someone starting from scratch. In the end, the project was a lot of work, but my old kitchen is now a bright and welcoming space. While the total cost was significant, it's far less than hiring contractors for a full kitchen remodel. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.